Spicy, tangy, and pack it with flavor. Kimchi's more than just a side dish. This Korean superfood has been around for centuries, and today it's making waves for its health benefits. Could it really boost your energy, heal your gut, or even help you feel better every day? Let's dig into its story, its science, and how you can eat it right. Kimchi's roots stretch back over 3,000 years ago in ancient Korea. With brutal winters, people preserved cabbage by salting and fermenting it, a survival trick. By the 12th century, it was a cultural staple, and when chili peppers hit in the 1600s, that fiery red glow was born. Its tradition and necessity in one spicy bite. For centuries, kimchi stayed a Korean secret, served with rice or stews in every home. Then, in the 20th century, Korean immigrants took it global. By the 2000s, it hit grocery stores and restaurants. Foodies raved, and scientists dug in. Word spread. This wasn't just tasty, it was a health game changer. Kimchi's loaded with probiotics, good bacteria like lactobacillus that keep your gut happy. It's got B vitamins, especially B12, turning food into energy, plus vitamin C and antioxidants from peppers for immunity. At just 23 calories per 100 grams, it's a low-calorie win. Studies tie it to better digestion, stronger immunity, and a real energy lift. Why does it work? Fermentation's the key. It breaks down nutrients like B vitamins, making them easier to absorb for energy. A 2018 study found probiotics ease bloating, balance gut bacteria, and can help reduce the negative symptoms of many gastrointestinal disorders. The chili peppers bring capsaicin, a compound that ramps up circulation and fighting fatigue. A 2011 Korean study even showed kimchi eaters lost more weight. Proof it's not just hype, it's science in a spicy package. Kimchi is a versatile dish that can be eaten on its own or worked into almost any recipe. Eat it as a snack, toss it on rice, or mix it into soup like kimchi jjigae soup. Whether you're grilling chicken, pork, or beef, kimchi makes the perfect accompaniment to cut through the richness of the meat. Start with 50 to 100 grams a day. That's about a quarter to half a cup. It's enough to get benefits without overloading on salt or spice. Too much might upset your stomach if you're new to it, so ease in. Store-bought works, but homemade lets you tweak the flavor. Either way, it's a tiny dose with big impact. From its ancient roots in Korea to your plate today, kimchi's more than just a spicy side. It's a health hack with over 3,000 years of history. Could it boost your energy? The science says yes, with probiotics, vitamins, and a kick of flavor to power up your day. It's a small bite that packs a big punch, backed by studies and loved worldwide. So, why not give it a try? Your gut and maybe your energy might thank you. If this dive into kimchi sparked your curiosity, hit that like button, it helps us bring you more. Subscribe for health secrets like this, and drop a comment. See you in next video.